watching our channel. Please like
and subscribe.
Now stay tuned for the video.
It's running, and then this happened. Oh man. So, I don't know if I had a video up before, but what I thought was some kind of seal on the hole. No, it's some kind of plaster that reminds me of bubble gum. Someone put bubble gum inside the boat. And oh man, going 35 miles an hour on the water just pulled that thing off. So we were on the water maybe an hour, hour and a half, and we pulled it out. And then we pulled it out, and I removed the drain plug, and 1 gallon of water goes out, 2 gallons, 3. I'm starting to get a little worried. There's no water anywhere. The deck is dry. I don't see any water. So finally I laid underneath the boat and saw this big opening. And looking in it, there's fiberglass, there's a little bit of rotted wood. Oh, this is going to be a fun project. Sadly, I didn't take any video. I was trying to figure it out. There's plenty of other videos showing you how to do it, but basically what I did is I got some of that wood rotting epoxy, the wood repair epoxy, put it up in there in the dry rot wood, let it all soak up, let that dry. Then I got some fiberglass resin and some fiberglass, not the cloth stuff, but the matting, the one you could tear up, and mix that up in the resin, shoved it up in that hole, got that hole all covered up, let that dry. Then I put a couple of layers on the outside and feathered it out. And then I got some boat paint, and then I painted that. So that was all painted, covered, painted, fully waterproof now, and could withstand a beating. And then I went around to all of the chips in the hole and painted over those, so those would be waterproof as well, just in case any of the fiberglass was a little bit dry. So now that's all done. Now it's a boat. We can go out and take rides with it. So this is the last video I have of the boat. Hope you enjoyed some of the videos I made. I know some of them were long, others didn't make too much sense, but hopefully if one person got something out of it, that was my goal with the boat. My next project is going to be a Volkswagen Rabbit pickup, and I'm getting a little bit better at making those videos. Stay tuned. Thanks.